Hello and welcome back to Art with Skylar Blue. Today we are going to learn how to draw a frog on a lily pad. Let's go. So to get started, we just need our paper, a pencil, an eraser, and we will need a Sharpie in a little bit. I have my reference image up in the corner for us to look at while we're working. And we're going to start by just making a large oval with the pencil. That's better. Okay, now I'm going to make two more ovals, one on each side. Those are going to be for part of the legs. And two half ovals or half circles on the top for our eyes. Moving back down, I'm going to make three webbed toes at the base of those two. Right. And now I'm going to make a little thing for the belly, just a little half circle. For this one, I am going to put the arms coming out of the belly, so that will come into play later, but you can see on my reference in the upper corner that I actually did it a little differently there. I like to show you guys some different options, so that's another way to do it. Choose whichever one feels better for you. Two little circles for the eyes, two smaller circles for the nostrils, and a cute little smile. All right, he's almost ready to go. We need a lily pad, so I'm just going to make some curved lines in the corner with a little triangular notch in them. You can kind of see what that'll look like again in that reference image in the corner. And from this point, we are actually ready to Sharpie. So now I'm going to go over the lines that I just made. However, there will be some lines where I ignore the pencil lines and I'll erase them later. Like for example, right there with the eyes, right? I'm not going to go over that part that shows the circle for the head because we don't really need that in there, right? That was just more of a guide. So take your time, really carefully go over your lines with the Sharpie, and then we will be erasing all the pencil that we don't need after. So don't worry if you can still see it right now. You won't when we're all done. Okay, excuse me, I'm a little sniffly today. We're going to do this same kind of technique by the leg, right? I'm outlining almost all the way around, but not quite. So it looks more like his leg is folded up underneath him. So I'm going to leave that little part open. Same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to outline the foot like normal. These lines are going to be just like how we see them. And I'm going to kind of tuck those arms a little bit behind his legs. So he's kind of maybe feeling a little shy. He's kind of withdrawn. I don't know. He's a cute little shy froggy. Now I noticed that I forgot to Sharpie that extra line by the belly. I will fix it later in the video, but it's important to make sure that you check all of your lines before you erase them, just in case, so you have any information that you might need. All right, from this point now I am ready to erase everything. Take your time, really use a big eraser so that you can get all of those nooks and crannies. You don't have to worry. And then when you're all done, you should have something like this. From here, we're actually ready to color in our froggy. So I'm going to speed this part up. Feel free to color however you want. It's your design. Feel free to add or change anything. In a second, I'm going to just kind of fly through this if you are interested in watching me color. So here I go. And for this part, you can use whatever you have available. I'm using markers, if you have colored pencils, if you have anything like that at home, paints, whatever you want to use, you're more than welcome. It's your art, so feel free to decide how you want to fill this in. For the background, I think I'm just going to do like the indication of some little lines for water. And that is it for my froggy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye for now.